Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Foothill Oak Elementary School, home of the Roadrunners, here in Vista, California, and part of the Vista Unified School District. I just got done sharing my heart with the AM/PM students and staff, the after-school program, and as always, they continue to touch my heart. This is my first elementary school ever here in Vista Unified, so to keep coming back year after year and building on what we've already talked about with other very important topics, it's always very fulfilling, you know. And the focus today was a brand new theme in my series, which was citizenship. And the sub-theme was at home, school, and community, right? Because we're trying to be good citizens everywhere, not just here at school, not just within these walls, but everywhere that we go, right? Where we live, in our city, our neighborhood, if we end up traveling somewhere, you know, we can always be a great citizen, not just to this planet, but to others around us. And something that I really try to hammer home, especially in this program, is the concept of time, right? That all of us can give our time to someone else if we choose to, or to a situation, right? You can never say that I don't have time. You can always make time, right? If it's that important to you. And knowing that time is the most precious gift out there, that we can never get it back, it's something that the students really responded to, right? And we know that in just a couple seconds, we've talked about this as well in previous visits, you know, we can uplift someone where it stays on their heart in a positive way forever, or conversely, we can really tear them down. And so, you know, when we started to brainstorm what it means to be a good citizen, we definitely discussed showing respect, not just to yourself, but to others, doing acts of kindness, helping others in general, you know, just really trying to make a difference, right, in every aspect and every area of our lives. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, as well as an inspirational video, the positive hip hop at the end, some of the props that reinforce the message too, the picture slides, of course, you know, all of this intertwined, I was really trying to just show them that there's always an opportunity, right? Each and every day, there's people around us, and there's chances for us to go and hopefully, you know, be someone's champion, right? To really help that person out that might be struggling. And it could be, you know, doing a simple household chore where we reside. It could be maybe assisting someone here on the school grounds with a certain subject in school that maybe they're having a tough time with. And even it could be volunteering, you know, out in our community doing a service project. And all these little actions start to have a ripple effect, right? And a lot of times it's ordinary people, normal people like you and I, that are doing huge acts of love. And that's how we start to change this world, you know, to make it a better place. And if we understand that sometimes just changing ourselves is what we need to do in order to hopefully improve the people around us, then we know that as long as we focus on our worth, on our value, know how special, how powerful each of us are, that hopefully, you know, that'll help others as well, right? And that always ties into what I bring up in every assembly that I do, and that's the M in all of our palms, right? All of us with the lines in our hand have letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We all have at least one. And that M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we continue to believe that and really buy into that premise, now we can go be that light to someone else's heart, right? And start to change hearts and start to change lives. So thanks for changing my life and touching my heart. It was another incredible day with all of you here at Foothill Oak. I'll be back 2 more times this school year. Until then though, just be those amazing citizens that I know you're capable of being. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.